So the Defender Trophy Edition actually does feature a few off-road implements direct from the factory that you can actually add at the dealership for any Land Rover Defender 90, 110, Discovery, really anything in the Land Rover lineup. So the first of which is actually going to be this large brush guard on the front. Now what's unique about this one is it's actually fully ready for a winch to be added, fully wired and equipped that way. Moving down, you actually do see the front undershield for the vehicle to protect against any sort of rocks and brush you might encounter while off-roading. And on the Trophy, that actually extends all the way through the undercarriage of the vehicle, just giving a lot of really nice protection for the car as you're on the off-road trails. So moving right around to the side of the vehicle, one of the first things you'll notice is these Land Rover Classic mud flaps. Adding these to any Land Rover actually looks really good. It gives it a nice rugged look and also protects against any flying stones or mud. It just generally keeps your vehicle's body a lot cleaner. Going up to the top now, we do see our Expedition roof rack combined with our deployable roof ladder for ease of gear carrying, so you can take anything you might need on the trail right along with you, and then the ladder will actually just pop down and deploy quite easily. So moving around to the very back of the vehicle, actually on the inside, we do find an integrated air compressor. So that's actually key for off-roading because it gives you the ability to air your tires up and down while you're on the trail. Again, any of these accessories can be fitted to any Defender or, like I said, just about any other Land Rover model right here at the dealership.